Today, we're diving into the twisted world of history, exploring the salty and doughy delights of one of the world's favorite snacks, the pretzel. But before we unravel the twists of pretzels, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how your favorite snack ended up being twisted into those unique shapes? Subscribe and stick around because, today, we're entangling the delicious history behind the Brezen, also known as pretzels. Trust me, you won't want to miss this salty journey. Picture this. It's the 7th century, and we're in Europe, where our story unfolds in the most unexpected of places, the monastery. That's right, monks were the Og pretzel crafters. But here's the twist, pun intended, they weren't making them for snack attacks. They were using these doughy delights as rewards for children who memorized their prayers. Legend has it that these holy rollers shaped the dough to resemble arms crossed in prayer, giving birth to what we now know as the iconic pretzel shape. Now, imagine munching on a snack that not only satisfies your taste buds but also earns you divine brownie points, or should I say, pretzel points. But hold on, here's a twist in the tale. Monks weren't the only ones getting twisted with dough. It wasn't until the 16th century that the pretzel made its way to Germany, and that's where things got truly fascinating. Germans not only embraced the pretzel, but they gave it a new name, Brezen. Suddenly, this twisted treat became a symbol of good luck and prosperity. It was more than just a snack. It was a charm, a talisman of fortune. Who would have thought a pretzel could be your lucky charm? Now, picture yourself in medieval Switzerland. Couples weren't just exchanging rings. They were breaking pretzels together as a symbol of unity. It was like a delicious wedding ritual. Breaking the pretzel, breaking the bonds, and sealing the promise of a prosperous future together. Imagine having a snack at your wedding that's not only tasty but also carries the promise of good luck. I mean, who needs a 4-leaf clover when you've got a pretzel, right? But the pretzel's journey doesn't stop there. Fast forward to the 18th century, and we find ourselves on American soil. The pretzel made its way across the pond and quickly became a star at county fairs and social gatherings. It was the snack of choice, loved by all for its crunchy exterior and chewy center. The pretzel wasn't just a tasty treat. It was a symbol of community and shared joy. It's amazing how a simple twist of dough could bring people together and become a staple in the American snacking scene. Now, let's fast forward to the 20th century and witness the modern twists that transformed the humble pretzel into the snack we know and love today. In the 20th century, the pretzel underwent a culinary revolution. It wasn't just about the classic twisted shape anymore. Pretzel sticks, pretzel buns, pretzel crisps. The twists kept coming. It was like the pretzel had a makeover, embracing new forms and flavors that captivated taste buds around the world. It was a true twist of fate for this iconic snack. And who could forget the sweet twist? Chocolate-covered pretzels. A delightful combination of salty and sweet that's a match made in snack heaven. It's the kind of snack that leaves you wondering, why didn't I try this sooner? But the innovation doesn't stop there. Pretzels have become versatile ingredients in the culinary world. From pretzel-crusted chicken to pretzel-topped desserts, chefs and home cooks alike have embraced the delicious potential of this twisty delight. And let's talk about the perfect pairing, mustard or cheese. It's a debate as old as time. Are you team mustard, with its tangy kick, or team cheese, bringing that creamy goodness? Hey, no judgment here. It's all about personal pretzel preferences. From monks' prayers to wedding rituals, to becoming a symbol of community and joy, and now evolving into a culinary sensation. The pretzel truly is a snack with a story, and we're just here to savor every delicious chapter. That's a wrap for today's food story and adventure. If you enjoyed this twisted tale of pretzel history, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty stories, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep snacking and stay curious. Cheers!